Okay. I know this is overkill because this is my only suppressor I have for my 300 blackout. But let's just see how quiet it is. Oh my gosh. That was a dud, it looked like. Huh. It's like it's not resetting the trigger. Yeah, it's not resetting the trigger. That's weird. Take the ears off. Damn. Well, talk about overkill. I wish that worked. I've never shot something with an FRT trigger, so it's definitely freaking cool doing it out of a pistol. You know what I always found funny was everyone wants something full auto, right? So they can just fucking mag dump stuff. All want full auto, and then the guys that have shit that's full auto, short control burst. I don't know, maybe I'm just a retard. I know I'm a retard. Dude, I know I'm probably not hitting anything, but
what the fuck was that?
yeah, it's just not resetting the trigger. Yeah, right there it did. Ooh, did it that time. That one did too. Yeah, see, it's just not resetting the trigger, so all I gotta do is right there, and then it resets. The slide lock, I wonder if the booster is messing with it, because it's obviously going all the way back. But I wonder what would make it not, the trigger not reset. As the booster is for barrels that move, this one doesn't. But I wonder if it's just affecting it, like it's wobbling, and but that doesn't make sense because everything is perfectly fine. The slide lock's back, but just the trigger doesn't reset. That's odd. Huh. Maybe all my problems will go away when I get my red dot. Fingers crossed, they probably won't, but oh well. This thing is barely even warm, like it's a little bit warm, but Alright, let's do a full 21 round mag. See if we can get it to dump. Oh, that was it.
Now I have a machine gun.
Alright. Hell yeah.